In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel digital orders on Amazon. Start by opening your web browser and going to Amazon.com. Make sure you're signed into the account where you made the purchase so you see the right order history. If you have multiple Amazon profiles or regions, double check you're on the correct site and profile to avoid confusion. Once the homepage loads, move your mouse to the top right of the screen over the account area. On most browsers, this appears as Account and Lists. Hovering opens a drop-down so you can quickly navigate without leaving the page. From that menu, click on Orders. This takes you to your order history page, which is where Amazon organizes everything you've bought. You may land on a view that shows recent physical items by default, but we want to focus on your digital purchases. At the top of this page, select Digital Orders. This filter shows items like Kindle books, digital videos, apps, subscriptions, and other instantly delivered content tied to your account. Seeing this dedicated list makes it much easier to find the exact item you want to cancel. In the Digital Orders view, locate the order you want to cancel and click the Cancel option next to it. If cancellation is available, Amazon will let you proceed and may ask you to confirm. Keep in mind that digital content often has short cancellation or refund windows, and some items can't be canceled once they've been downloaded, accessed, accessed, or used. If a cancel button doesn't appear, that typically means the order isn't eligible through self-service. In that case, review the item's return policy shown on the page for details about eligibility and timing. If your digital orders list is empty, there's nothing to cancel right now, and that's completely normal. It simply means you haven't purchased any digital content on this account recently, or older items no longer appear in the active list. After you cancel, you can revisit digital orders to confirm the status has updated. Any approved refunds for eligible digital items usually process back to your original payment method, and processing times can vary by bank. That's the entire process, from opening Amazon to managing your digital orders. Follow these steps whenever you need to review or cancel a recent digital purchase, and you'll know exactly where to find the right controls without digging through unrelated pages. Now check your account, and when you're ready, go to the Digital Orders view to manage your items confidently.